Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this Leetcode problem. Uh, so given the
అసలు
question is like
అక్కడ
so they given the list,
సముద్ర తీరం
so
చేరినట్టు
one
అక్కడ
two three
ఉన్నాము
four and they're
స్ట్రైట్ గా
asking
ఉన్నాము
like minimum operations which are required. So ultimately what we have to perform is you can see the samples like one two three four they given they need the output result is 3 why they are getting 3, so 1 is not divided by 3, 2 is not divided by 3, 3 is divided by 3, that's why we're not counting it, 4 is not divided by 3, so that's why the number of outcomes are like 3. So here this 369 each every element is divided by 3, that's why we got the outcome as 0. So ultimately what we have to perform is they given some examples like whatever elements you have, after that they'll subtract this by 1 or add this with 1 or in that way they'll do. So but when we can remember one thing, so we have the number 3, obviously whatever values we have the 3 series, it will be the remainders will be either 0, 1 or 2. So you can count any number 6 or 7, let's take 7, so the remainder will be 1. So if you take 8, the remainder will be 2, or if you take 9, the remainder is 0 because 3 3s are 9. So obviously all the three multiples are like no, so the maximum range you can get is 0, 1 and 2. That's why we have to think in that direction, then we can able to solve this problem. So ultimately the logic is very simple, we have to find out the which numbers unable to divide it by 3. So that's the logic. So um, first we want the outcome, so let's take outcome underscore count, we declare one variable and after that we assign it as 0. Then after that we have to iterate each every element, that's why we are using for loop for I in nums, so we can access each every element and we'll checking one condition, if this I is divided by 3, if the remainder is 0, then we don't need to do anything, we just simply pass, else we need to iterate, we need to add this variable with 1. So at the end we have to return this
ఇప్పుడు దొరకలేదు నాకు
underscore count. So okay,
లెవెన్
this is
బ్యాక్
the variable we have to return. Okay, let me run this. Hmm, yeah, that's it. Test cases are done and we can able to submit this. See, that's it. It's all it take less time only, so this is the logic.
ఆవిడ కూడా హెల్త్
So
కిట్ నాకు
okay,
లేదు
so we'll see the next tutorial in the next sessions. Okay, till then.